So hi, hello, namaste, welcome to Motovlog Ronnie. Today we are here in Ampere showroom, Chiloka Automobiles, which is in Kuvampanagar, Mysore. I think for most of them who doesn't know about this Ampere brand, so which has been started 13 years back. Today we have a Rio Lee Plus from 2021. So I think previous model was Rio Lee, which was discontinued. And colors, if you could see, there are three different colors in this model. One is orange, blue, and the red color. So all of the three models are here. And this is a unregistered vehicle, and this is where which comes under a category of unregistered. So you don't need a driving license or a helmet and whatever it is. So you already know it if you have seen my other videos. For other videos, you can check out the iCard which is coming above, and even the link in the description as well. So let's talk about the motor. So motor is a 1.2 kilowatt motor has been used in this particular model. The lithium ion battery has been used in this. So the charging time is somewhere between 5 to 6 hours. You can take out the battery and charge it in the house itself, or you can charge it through the vehicle directly. So you're going to get 2 years of warranty for battery, control and motor with this vehicle. And the price, finally you will ask for a price also, right? So this is where it stands out a little bit in a crowd, where the price is around 58,000 rupees. So without an insurance. If you want an insurance, you can additionally have it with. The speed of the vehicle, as usual, most of all the other models from a different brands gives 25. So this is also same officially. So I was talking about the range. The range is around per full charge you are going to get almost 60 to 65 kilometers, and the top speed, as I said already, officially, which is 25 kilometer per hour. So we are not going to get any of the modes in here. The price of the battery for this model is now 23,000. It may change in the future, or it may increase or decrease. So we have a storage pockets in here, for your mobile phone or a keys, the small sort of a storage. Key you can see here. So they are not providing with any of this interlocking system when the price is answered as well. And as I said, the reverse switch, this is the functionality I was talking about. So you can see a reverse switch right here, and all other switch quite normal. Okay, as I said, you are going to get the drum brakes at both the hand, and the suspensions, two suspensions over here, the normal ones. The front, you can see a drum brake as well. So the tubeless tire has been provided in these models, and we have a telescopic front telescopic suspension. So all other lights are LEDs on the vehicle. I think the MCB switch is somewhere on the different side here in this vehicle. So usually we have seen right over here, and here is the storage I was talking about. So we have a 6 amps charger which comes with the vehicle. So you can get the indication also when the charge gets completed. So here is a battery compartment. You can easily remove the battery out of the battery compartment. So this is the battery you are seeing, the 48 volts 28Ah battery, the lithium ion one. So as I said, the cost of this is 23,000 now. So we are now seeing the instrument cluster over here. So again, it's as usual with the different bikes as well. So the battery level indication is here. The speed that you are traveling is here. The headlight, the limit, the odometer. So there are different symbols out here. Which will be starts blinking if there is any problem in any of the things in the vehicle. So additionally, we have one more feature where you can charge your mobile phones. There is a USB option right here to you. The charging port is same as usual here, so you can connect your adapter right here and you can charge the vehicle. So now we are up for a test ride, and we will do it and see Is there any different this vehicle makes out of all the reviews which we have done it on the different brands? I think one thing which is mainly is with this bike is very affordable. So let's go and see how it performs on the road. Okay, the ignition is on, I think, so you just have to hold and start. Okay, I think as I always said, so these bikes are very good for the city rides and the shorter distance to be covered. So it's all the technology, it's all the same technology had gone into different models of vehicles that we have did till date. I don't feel any kind of a wow factor out of whatever the reviews that we have did. It's all the same, but one thing to remember, this is the much affordable vehicle, and the seat is really comfortable on this. And for a guy who's like me, I'm almost 5'11", so I think my knees are somewhere close to this handlebar. So yeah, fine. So generally these vehicles doesn't make any sort of sound, that's for sure. So I'll show you the reverse feature also. So if you hold this reverse and if you do it, so it goes back. So yes, I know the helmet which I am wearing for this motorcycle is not that suitable. So this vehicle you don't need a helmet or a DL, but helmet is necessary for your safety. So suspensions are as usual normal and fine, so it's adequate whatever is required. Here we are back to the Ampere showroom. We are very thankful for them, for Chiloka Automobiles, for giving us an opportunity to do a small review on this vehicle. So this is one of the first moving vehicle which is called as Rio Lee Plus, okay, from Ampere. So there are other videos also of us of a different brand electric vehicles, and even the petrol motorcycles also. You can just check it out in the link, and please do like, share, and comment, and even subscribe as well. So that is what we are going to expect from you. So back to the showroom.